Vincent, what are you eating?
Donut.
Oh my god, it's all over your face. You know where we're going today?
No.
Well, I'm telling you, we're going to see race cars. You're supposed to be excited. So what's up, guys? The best thing about cars isn't necessarily the cars, it's actually the people you meet along the way. What's up, guys? We're here. Oh man, spoiler of a spoiler. Check this shit out, man. Look at the wing! Oh! 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 What's up? Yeah, dog, what's up? Yeah, what's up, man? What's up? Oh, I'm sorry, baby. Oh, can't leave me hanging. How you doing? What's up?
How you doing?
Yeah, man. Good to see you.
Hi, Vincent. Remember me?
Now he's all shy for some reason. Oh, shit,
brother.
That's good.
Good to see you.
It's going.
Hey, why? Look like
It's like Lightning McQueen? You sure?
so funny.
Stay so clean. Marcos. Ooh, even that this is good. Look at that. VisitPA.com. Just like Daddy Spoiler. This one. Take a picture. Look. Nice. This one. The stock is life. 86 lead. P-tuning? P-tuning. Yeah.
That is close.
Uh-huh. Ooh, the big spoiler. To everybody.
Sir? How you doing, man? How's it going?
Daddy. I'm being straight.
Future hot.
Yes, tofu! Turbo? What's this?
This one.
This one? Oh, it's a brand new one. Hehehe.
Yeah, on my first drive back from the dealer.
Hey, look!
I just realized I was just like, am I next to a Subaru or something? Like, what's this whooshing sound? And I was like, oh shit,
No sauce. Oh my god, you have baby!
Oh my gosh, baby!
What's his name?
Oh, hi, baby. Hi.
He kind of was not sleeping. Yeah! What's up, man? What's up, boy? It's your boy. You gonna say hi? So guys, I'm gonna just drop some clips of my family video vlog. I typically don't put it on my car channel because this is supposed to be just about cars. But I'm out of content. Hey, let's go.
Monster truck go.
Boy, it's your first time riding in a car like this. You happy? Are you happy? Are you happy?
No way.
Eat your feet. Come on, come on. Eat your feet.
I was gonna give it to Susan and she went back.
Is it good?
Huh?
Good? You want more chicken?
I asked Peter if she arrived.
I-K-K-Y-U. Number 50.
No, I'm breaking halves of his share.
You know he's gonna steal. Visiting my friend. He owns a shopping center. Check this out. Oh my god, that's a lot of stores he owns. Or property. Let's go. When an architect looks at an empty space, he sees potential. oh, you're going to be this, and it could be like that. Design needs to be like that. This place is huge. There's so much stuff you can do here. Be interesting. I get to design it and help. Yay! Thai Festival in Baltimore, right next to Howard Street, next to the Lexington Market. Let's go! Happy birthday, how are you? Like 16?
I'm 16. No, 15 turning 16.
Hot. Hot. Dun 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 dun. Damn, that looks banging.
Yeah.
Wow.
But that
As long as you leave before the sunset.
So I'm at Pho Saigon now, visiting a friend. Yeah, owner. If you haven't seen it, Man vs. Food, China ass thing of pho. It's alright. Not that like amazing, but whatever. Pho Saigon.